This is separate leg stretching, head to knee pose. Dandayamana, Bibhaktapada, Janushirasana. Inhale, bring the arms overhead, palms flat, thumbs crossed. Step to the right 3 feet, not super wide. Lift up your toes and turn on your heels and face the left. Swing the left hip forward and the right hip back. Back leg is nice and strong. Take a deep breath, lengthen up. Tuck your chin into the throat, pull the belly button in, and round down very slowly to head to knee pose. The spine is rounded. You can bend the front knee as much as you need to bring your forehead to your knees. You got to really pull that belly well in. Notice that the arms are trying to straighten and they're squeezing in like always. Palms are still flat together with the thumbs crossed. Sometimes people lose their balance when they're new to this pose, and you can separate your hands until you build enough strength for balance, and then bring your hands back to prayer position. Fingertips should be in front of the front toe. And then round that spine, hips are level. I can put my teacup here, have my afternoon tea, and you're choking your throat, you're squeezing your belly, lifting the pelvic floor. That's really good for the energy body, stretching the back, hold it, and release. Inhale, come up, nice and slow, lifting the chin last, unlocking that energy body, letting the energy flow freely, and then turn and face forward, bring the feet together, and arms down by your sides, mountain pose.